Today we are going to talk about we are going to finish our first project about contact, and for this week we've created the Swagger.js that allows us to see to talk about documentation for this project. So let's start with this. I've already run my project, and then we're going just to talk about this one, this REST file to see if everything is all right. Um, Normally I should have something here. Send it's maybe okay. So if I click on send here, we've got this one. It's okay. And then we see every contact in my database. If I try to just perhaps to look for this one, this contact, just want to come here and then to paste that here and send the request. Here, there we go. We just got this one. And if I want to add something, to add some contact information, I write this, and if I send contact created successfully, and if we come back and see if it's the case, just at the bottom, yes, there we go. This is that one. So this is the first part, and the second part is about Swagger. We have to see if it's working. So let me first come back again. Just for local, we see correctly hello world, and when if we look for contacts, we get all of them. Or no, I just need to remove this. Yes, all of them. And if we click API dot, I got this Swagger page. I just need to switch to HTTP. If I come here, try execute, we see just here hello world, which is our first message from the home page. That's correct. If you want to retrieve all the data that we've got in the database, click there you go, get everything here. That works perfectly. If you want to add contact, let me copy something and just change. Yes, we can take this one. That works. It's fine. Here, just try it out. Just need to come here, remove the ID because it's automatically created, and change. I can say this. Let's see. That works. And I click to execute. Oh, there is an error mistake. Okay. Now, perfect. Yes, contact created normally. Yes. And if you try perhaps to delete something, it will also work. All that we need is just to add some the ID. For example, if we come here for the first one that we get, our first our first one, we want to delete that. We just click on here, copy the ID, come here, and then execute that. It say that okay, the good one, everything is alright, and let's check if it's the case.